every time I would hear, um, you know, stuff like "you are everything," it never really made sense to me. I couldn't really um, make sense of it. But the dream analogy you gave really gives a different perspective on it. Like it helps, I guess. Yeah.
Yeah, and also now it's an experiential thing. So now I don't know where you are. Let me just assume that you're, say, in your office or something, and there's books
Hmm.
maybe in front of you, a computer in front of you, a window. There's light. There's the
Hmm.
feeling of the chair. There's maybe the sight of the desk, the hand. Now, from thought, it goes, I am the body experiencing the light, the room, the books, the computer. From experience, though, but we get so caught up in thought, everything is simply appearing in experience. So there's the room, the light. But in thought land, and this is the separate self, it goes, I'm experiencing, I'm a body here experiencing the room. But really, there's a whole room and a whole world appearing in experiencing. But it's not for somebody, there's nobody there that could be found that's experiencing this. There's just everything. You can't even find the position of an experience of the wall, of the light. It's not like there's a position where you experience it, only in ideas. And ideas and thoughts give the energetic feeling that somewhere inside the body is experiencing this, but it's not true. So now the sound of my voice isn't peering outside of you. That's just what the thoughts say. It's not appearing inside of you. It's appearing, and you can't find where it's appearing. But it's appearing in this. It is this.
Mm. Yeah, it's not. Okay, yeah, it's not appearing outside and it's not appearing inside. Okay,
No, it's appearing. The
it's
location
just appearing.
comes from this thought and this energy of I'm experiencing this inside a body, and this seemingly grows over time, this energy of feeling like you're experiencing this inside a body. And so it gives the energetic expression like there's an experiencer somewhere, but that's the lie. And it's quite a change. It doesn't mean that the body doesn't experience pain or that the body doesn't have neurotic patterns, but it's an energetic shift from being somebody to being no one, in which all of this is appearing. And it's not about making yourself perfect or getting rid of pain or acting enlightened in any way. It's that shift from me in relationship with things to life. And it's the end of all hate. Even though the body might say, don't do this, or I don't like that, or leave the room, or I don't like you, whatever the body does, there's no longer somebody in there with the arrogance of saying, this is me, this is them, I'm better, I'm lower. It's just appearing in this. Like your nature as everything has no judgment. Although the body might have judgment, but that's not who you are. It's just appearing. So don't look to the body or the thought patterns for freedom. We often look to the body or what the thoughts. I mean, I have some really freaking random thoughts, and this body has some random like habits, like things it likes and doesn't like. But it don't look to the body for freedom. Don't look for your behavior for freedom. Don't look for your thought patterns for freedom. It's that which everything's appearing in, and it's an energetic shift from me, my body, my world, to everything. But you won't find it in what you think. You won't find it in controlling your behaviors and your habits. Like I'm sure if somebody followed me around with a camera, people would be stunned at what this body gets up to. Like it doesn't line up with my imagination beforehand like of what she would be like. She's She carries on being Lisa.
You mean if someone followed you on the streets with a camera?
Or somebody, yeah, followed me around, they'd be like, oh my God. And maybe now I'm more extreme because I don't care.
Hmm. Yeah, it's funny when you were telling me how your voice isn't inside or isn't outside, um, and I kind of felt that I was trying to perceive it inside or outside, but your voice was just appearing.
Just like
Um,
everything else. And this is where the love affair really is. It's the end of any
hmm,
judgment of you and your position. It doesn't mean that the body, I'm not talking about the body, but I'm talking about you have no position.
hmm,
The problem is the one that feels like it has a position, and it's just a thought pattern with an energy, me experiencing, and that's the lie, and that's where all human suffering came from.